What does syntax error, missing parentheses and call to print mean in Python? When I try to use a print statement in Python, it gives me this error. What does that mean?
This error message means that you are attempting to use Python 3 to follow an example or run a program that uses the Python 2 print statement. The statement above does not work in Python 3. In Python 3 you need to add parentheses around the value to be printed. Syntax error, missing parentheses in call to print is a new error message that was added in Python 3.4.2 primarily to help users that are trying to follow a Python 2 tutorial while running Python 3. In Python 3, printing values changed from being a distinct statement to being an ordinary function call, so it now needs parentheses. In earlier versions of Python 3, the interpreter just reports a generic syntax error without providing any useful hints as to what might be going wrong. As for why print became an ordinary function in Python 3, that didn't relate to the basic form of the statement, but rather to how you did more complicated things like printing multiple items to stir with a trailing space rather than ending the line. In Python 2, in Python 3, starting with the Python 3.6.3 release in September 2017, some error messages related to the Python 2.x print syntax have been updated to recommend their Python 3.x counterparts. Since the missing parentheses in call to print case is a compile-time syntax error and hence has access to the raw source code, it's able to include the full text on the rest of the line in the suggested replacement. However, it doesn't currently try to work out the appropriate quotes to place around that expression. That's not impossible, just sufficiently complicated that it hasn't been done. The type error raised for the right shift operator has also been customized. Since this error is raised when the code runs, rather than when it is compiled, it doesn't have access to the raw source code, and hence uses meta variables, message, and output_stream in the suggested replacement expression instead of whatever the user actually typed. Unlike the syntax error case, it's straightforward to place quotes around the Python expression in the custom right shift error message.
Unfortunately, the old XKCD commit isn't completely up to date anymore. Since Python 3.0 you have to write and someone has still to write that anti-gravity library from.
There is a change in syntax from Python 2 to Python 3. In Python 2, will work, but in Python 3, use parentheses as. This is equivalent syntax to Scala and near to Java.
Basically, since Python 3.x you need to use print with parenthesis. Python 2.x, print Lord of the Rings. Python 3.x, print Lord of the Rings. Explanation. Print was a statement in 2.x, but it's a function in 3.x. Now, there are a number of good reasons for this. With function format of Python 3.x, more flexibility comes when printing multiple items with comma separated. You can't use argument splatting with a statement. In 3.x, if you have a list of items that you want to print with a separator, you can do this. You can't override a statement. If you want to change the behavior of print, you can do that when it's a function but not when it's a statement.
Is a machine infinite